Hey, what's up guys? Question, how do I find brand deals as a small creator? Guys, listen, think you need 1 million subscribers before brands even notice you? Wrong. Some creators with less than 5,000 subscribers are already getting free products, paid sponsorships, and even monthly retainers from brands. The secret? It's not about your size, it's about your strategy. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how even as a small creator can land your first brand deal and turn your channel into a money-making machine. Trust me, after this, you'll never look at your subscriber count the same way again. Hey creators, welcome back to Tutorial Masterclass, your go-to channel for YouTube growth, monetization tips, and creator success strategies. If you want to grow faster, earn more, and work smarter, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below if you're ready to get your first brand deal in 2025. Myth busting and mindset shift. Let's start by busting the biggest myth. Brands only work with big influencers. That's simply not true anymore. In 2025, brands are obsessed with micro creators, channels with smaller but highly engaged audiences. Why? Because smaller creators often have a stronger personal connection with their viewers. A big influencer might have 1 million subscribers, but only a 1% engagement rate. A small creator could have 5,000 subscribers with a 15% engagement rate. To brands, engagement equals influence. That means your audience trust matters way more than your subscriber count. Step 1, define your value and niche. Before you pitch to a brand, you need to know your value. Ask yourself, who's watching your videos? What problems do they have? Which products or services could help them? If your niche is tech reviews, you could partner with gadget brands, software companies, or even desk setup products. If you're in fitness, think supplement companies, workout gear, or healthy food brands. The more targeted your audience, the more valuable you are to a brand because you're not just delivering views, you're delivering their ideal customers. Step 2, build a brand-ready profile. Brands want to see that you're professional, even if you're small. This means have a clean, consistent channel design. Upload regularly. Keep your social media profiles updated. Show examples of past collaborations, even if they were unpaid. If you've reviewed a product you bought yourself, that's still content you can showcase as a sample. Build a short media kit, a simple PDF with your channel stats, audience demographics, and examples of your work. This makes you look serious, and brands will take you seriously. Step 3, start reaching out. Now here's the secret. Stop waiting for brands to find you. Reach out to them first. Search for brands in your niche on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Look for their marketing or PR contact. Send a short, professional email introducing yourself, explaining your audience, and suggesting a collaboration idea. Here's a template. Hi, popular brand. I'm Rose Moore, a creator focusing on Tutorial Masterclass. My audience loves tutorial about making money, real estate, tech tutorial, and finance tutorial. And I believe your product could be a perfect fit. I'd love to explore a partnership and can send my media kit for your review. Remember, the goal is not just free stuff. You're building long-term partnerships. And step 4, deliver and over-deliver. When you land a deal, give the brand more than they expect. Post on multiple platforms, engage with comments, and send them analytics after the campaign. This will make them want to work with you again and again, sometimes turning into monthly paid deals. And there you have it, proof that you don't need a massive channel to land brand deals. You need strategy, professionalism, and the courage to pitch yourself. If you learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, and drop a comment below sharing what type of brand you love to work with. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and go land that deal. Have a great day, everybody.
I'm full-time YouTuber, living my dream, can't lose. 500 million songs just like Mr. Beast. I'm full-time YouTuber, yeah.